When it comes to transporting hazardous goods or batteries safely, standard boxes aren't enough. That's why we have a full range of UN approved packaging, designed, tested, certified against strict international safety regulations. Each set comes with everything you need: the certified box, the polythene bags, the vermiculite and the tape. You can also buy each of these items separately if you need. Detailed packaging instructions are on our website for every single kit, so you can pack with confidence and stay compliant. When choosing your kit, remember, the right option depends on your product's weight and its size. Now, what's the difference between 4G and 4GV boxes? A 4G box is tested with a particular inner packaging, meaning it can only be used for that approved inner. A 4GV box, however, is more flexible. It's tested for a variety of inner packaging options, allowing you to safely ship different items inside, therefore making it a more versatile choice. Here's how to correctly pack the UN approved kit. Tape the bottom of the box using the H-tape method. Insert the polythene bag. Add a 50mm layer of vermiculite at the bottom. Place your item inside, bagging it first if necessary. Fill the remaining space with vermiculite, making sure there's at least 50mm around all sides and on top. Close the box and finish with H-tape across the top. Our range of sizes covers a variety of product dimensions and weights, making them the ideal solution for packaging batteries, chemicals and other hazardous goods with full compliance. To recap, UN approved packaging ensures safe and compliant transport of hazardous goods and batteries. Always check the product weight and dimensions against the limits on our website and follow the step-by-step instructions for packing. Explore our full UN approved packaging range and find the right solution for your products at kitepackaging.co.uk.